Hello everyone, welcome to the RHS Chelsea Flower Show channel, where we share beautiful images and stories about the world of flowers and plants. I know your time is precious, and I sincerely apologize if we've caused any inconvenience. If you've clicked on our video, please don't leave just yet. Watch and let us know what you didn't like. Your comments will help us make better videos to serve you. Please like and subscribe to support us. We always strive to bring you the best content, but we truly need your support. Subscribing not only helps you stay updated with our latest videos, but also provides us with the motivation to overcome challenges and keep creating. Thank you so much. Hit the subscribe button and share the beauty of nature with us. Pioneering social reformer Octavia Hill, 1838 to 1912, a founder of the National Trust, believed that the healthy gift of air and the joy of plants and flowers were vital in everyone's life. She worked tirelessly to improve urban housing and protect green space. Yet today, 1 in 3 people in Britain still don't have access to nearby nature-rich spaces. Conceptually located on an urban brownfield site, this beautiful, plant-filled urban community wildlife garden is designed to stimulate physical, mental, and social well-being. The garden increases urban biodiversity and encourages visitors to feel they are part of nature by making intimate connections with plants and wildlife. The garden is built as a series of open-air sitting rooms where visitors can experience different views and atmospheres. Sloping level changes with wheelchair-accessible paths led visitors to a planted shade canopy, observation platform, wildlife pond, or walking stream, providing multiple opportunities to enjoy the garden wildlife. Feasting on the pollinator-friendly planting. At a glance, who is this garden for? This is a public assessed garden designed to welcome all. Where is the garden set? An inner-city brownfield site at the end of a row of buildings. Who or what is the design inspiration? The life and work of Octavia Hill, a garden structure designed to integrate seamlessly into the garden, serves as a habitat hub and focal point for the wider garden. Bird boxes hung within the trees which trail through the space, and a hand-carved oak retaining wall with habitat panels provide homes for wildlife. A contemporary wildlife pond and walkable stream add to the habitats of the garden and fills the space with the calming sound of running water. In the heart of the city, while a soundscape that intertwines with the undulating rhythms of the garden enhances connections with the garden and provides an experience for visitors who are visually impaired or blind. Spires of digiplexus and shimmering bodilua create a rich planting palette. Several edible species are included in the planting, primarily as food sources for wildlife and for foraging. All have been included for their ornamental as well as productive values. Key sustainability points. The garden features native and non-native plants working together for biodiversity and beauty. All plants are grown in peat-free soil, low-carbon concrete for all concrete formations, permeable seating areas, and paths formed from UK-sourced reclaimed brick, timber, and stone, from National Trust properties retaining walls to platform formed with thatch, traditional material used in a contemporary way to encourage wildlife relocation. The garden will be relocated to Blue Diamond-owned RHS Partner Garden, Bridgemere Show Gardens, Nantwich, Cheshire.